Our concrete pour started at 4 a.m. this morning, and we expect the pour part of the operation to be done by 3 o'clock this afternoon. There is a tremendous amount of planning and coordination involved in an effort like this. This certainly is the largest concrete pour that's ever taken place on this site, and it's a large pour on any site. A lot of coordination around traffic control, bringing the trucks into the mill and then exit into the pour operation and then exit the pour operation. On the way out, the trucks stop to wash out their chutes and things into a washout bin, and then they exit the site back to get another load of concrete. There's a lot of work involved in that for that to all happen safely and on time. The concrete pile cap consists of approximately 1,050 cubic meters of concrete that will be placed on top of steel H-piles that have been previously driven into the ground down to bedrock. There's two batch plants involved, one for Lafarge, the other from Strescon, and both of those companies are delivering the concrete. We have two pumpers here in operation today, and they, with the aid of a positive displacement pump, take the concrete as it's dumped from the trucks and deliver it through the pumping hose. And on the end of each of the hoses, you have folks that move those hoses around to keep the pour uniform on the way up as the pile fills up. It takes a lot of effort by a lot of folks for a job like this to go off efficiently and, most importantly, safely. And that's all the way from the concrete, from the planning efforts, concrete delivery, the placement of the concrete, the finishing of the concrete, the testing that's required, and then the monitoring and of the curing operation, and eventually the removal of the formwork and so on. So it's very important that those folks all work together in that exercise to get a good result and a safe result.